Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your Microsoft Teams password. Keeping your password updated helps protect your account and ensures better security. So, let's get started. First of all, open Microsoft Teams on your computer and make sure you are logged into your account. In the top right corner, click on your profile icon, then select My Microsoft Account from the drop-down menu. This will open your Microsoft account settings in a web browser. On the Microsoft account page, look for the Security tab and click on it. Then select Change Password. Now enter your current password, then type in your new password and confirm it by entering it again. Make sure your new password is strong by including a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Click Save to apply the changes. Your Microsoft Teams password is now updated. And that's it. Now you know how to change your Microsoft Teams password quickly and securely. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you in the next one.